Come on, let's try starting it up. Giving it another shot. Still won't fire up. Anybody know what's wrong? Come on, let's check the front. I knew exactly where the problem was when it wouldn't start. Right here, the oxygen sensor. Let's take it out and have a look today. Oh my god, look at all this carbon buildup. Time to give it a good clean. Sensors all cleaned up now. Let's put it back in. Okay, sensors installed back. Now let's test if it actually starts. Friends, if this works, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. Here goes. See that? Fired right up. Pretty useful trick, right? I'm May. Follow me for more car tips and tricks.